Ayan guys, i-check natin. Meron daw opo dito. Ayan. Di namin alam, meron palang opo dito sa ano. Dito sa may ano namin, bakod. Ha?
Oh, you're fine.
Wow!
Sick.
There's more opo coming, see? And there's another one. There's more. Look. Where else? Hindi na ako nag-pollinate guys kasi ang dami ng ano, opo. Ito pwede yung ipang pollinate eh. Here's more, look.
Yep, yep.
And then I have
Oh,
kalabasa here. Let's
Ooh.
remove the bugs.
We need to powder that.
Yeah, let's powder that.
Yeah. We got some left, don't we?
Let me